Hey there, travel lovers. If you're looking for an amazing place to stay in Da Nang, Vietnam, you've got to check out An Hoi Canary Hotel. Don't forget to scan that QR code on your screen for booking details. This place is seriously a hidden gem where relaxation meets adventure. Picture this. After a day exploring the vibrant streets of Da Nang or soaking up the sun at the nearby beach, you come back to a cozy shared lounge that feels like a second home. Sink into those plush sofas, catch your favorite shows on TV, or just kick back with some new friends from around the world. It's the perfect spot to unwind, swap travel stories, and make memories between your adventures. And speaking of adventures, this hotel has got you covered. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just want to try something new, their sports facilities are unbeatable. The beach is just steps away, where you can dive into water sports like surfing, kayaking, or paddleboarding. Even if you're a beginner, no worries. Their expert instructors will have you gliding over those waves in no time. Plus, staying connected is a breeze with free Wi-Fi everywhere. Whether you're sharing those vacation pics or planning your next outing, you'll never miss a beat. So, what are you waiting for? Book your stay at An Hoi Canary Hotel and get ready for a perfect mix of relaxation, fun, and fantastic memories. Don't forget to grab that QR code to secure your spot. See you in Da Nang.